Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss what is the difference between ordered and unordered list in HTML language. So first of all we can open compiler, and after that here we can write some code. For the ordered list we can use OL tag, and after that here we can close this tag. Now here we can add list items, and after that now we can add two more items. So here you can see this is ordered list. Let's save, and after that now we can execute the program in the browser. Now here you can see this is ordered list. Now let's create unordered list. Just we can copy this one, and after that here we can add UL for the unordered list, and now we can close this tag, then add these. Let's save, and now refresh the page. So here you can see this is the difference between ordered and unordered list in HTML language.